rote. Sì, immaginavo. So now what we have to do is get all the panels loosen up all the panels, and then see what's the situation on the.
Okay. Your brother from another mother. Yeah, lying in the grass.
There you go. Okay, let's see if it comes loose. Yeah. So be careful because it's connected.
Yes.
Wait one moment, I need to see. Yes.
You need to lift the other one.
And there's a lot of tie wraps. So just hold on a second, let me see what's the smartest way. I think we just have to cut the tie wraps. Okay. So this is the situation, what's going on. Basically, the panels broke. All of them just broke because of the weight of the snow. So we need to find a better solution now. See if we can fix the situation. Okay.
There are two solutions.
Two solutions.
Yeah. One solution is to put it right on between here, you know.
Yeah.
Fix it here. Another solution is if you fill it out on the other side of the panel, so it will carry on a wooded.
I think we have maybe we have to put a beam.
Yeah, something like that. But not a total beam, but just under here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can cut it there. And it's something like
a block or something.
Yeah.
Heel voorzichtig. Draaien. Ja.
En dat valt
Best. Pas op achter je.
Ja.
Dat je niet eraf flikkert.
Het voordeel. Jij niet verder vallen op de grond, hè? Okay.
So what happened here is that it was attached correctly, only that it was attached to one wooden beam. The wooden beam, as you can see, it moves a bit, and what happened is that with the weight of the snow, this came down and it did exactly this. Look at that. Okay, there you go, you see that? And pack, broke the roof tile. Tack. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some wooden beams right underneath, so they're gonna support right here. And the wooden beams, we have to make them ourselves. So there you go. Gerard is making now. He just turned on the sawmill. Hope you can see it. And he's gonna start now to make the wooden beam. So that's a huge advantage of having the sawmill with us. We can just make anything we want on the go with the exact measurement that we need.
knop zetten en dan dit opschuiven.
Ja,
He's a very smart guy.
It's a brutal werk,
Smart
man.
guy. He's smart guy.
Okay, we're almost finished.
Mooie knal.
Even boven. Ja, maar daar.
My friend,
Hey!
test it. I want to see.
You want to see?
Let's see
I
if
hope-
it holds.
I hope it doesn't break. Give me your hand. Okay,
Papa, ik heb nog een kapotte.
you see.
Okay,
And I
You-
weigh
you weigh-
100 kilos.
150 kilos?
Yeah, I say 100, it's better.
You're like 2.5 meters, man.
Yeah.
That's never gonna
Perfect,
break. Never gonna break.
No, there will be not that lot of snow.
Excellent.
There's Gerard.
And now we just need to set up all the solar panels again.
Kapot.
And then we're done. Almost done. So we finished putting up the solar panels. I think now it's going to be really steady. It looks really good. Let's see if we can get a shot here. Yeah, a close up. It's got a lot of support. So that's I don't think it's gonna break again. We'll see at the end of next winter. But for now, it looks perfect. They're charging, and it's really good.